Learn to Sing is an innovative Android application aimed at helping users improve their singing skills through structured lessons and interactive exercises. Designed for both beginners and more experienced singers, the app offers a comprehensive approach to vocal training, encompassing various techniques, vocal exercises, and performance tips. With features like pitch detection, users can receive real-time feedback on their vocal accuracy, allowing them to identify areas for improvement. The application typically includes a library of training modules covering breath control, vocal range enhancement, and proper singing techniques, making it a valuable resource for aspiring vocalists. Additionally, Learn to Sing may offer a variety of genres and song selections for users to practice with, promoting a diverse learning experience. The user-friendly interface often includes progress tracking, enabling users to monitor their improvement over time. Overall, Learn to Sing is an excellent tool for anyone looking to enhance their singing abilities and boost their confidence as a performer.